Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from Michael in Massachusetts on this Ranger RCI-2950DX6. Michael, it's all ready to go for you. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, as well as the high cut filter. Put that on a switch right back here in the back for you. Let's start with the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. Got it set at 2 watts in case you decide to run an amp. You got full adjustability. 22 watts all the way up, and I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 50 watts in the corner, 250 watts slug in PEP. Hello. About 110 PEP. Flip it over to FM. It's going thing right now, and it's just a shy under 40 watts, okay? Alright, Michael, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.